Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle Linux 7.8 on VirtualBox 6.1. So here you can see that I have updated the VirtualBox to latest version. So VirtualBox latest version is 6.1. So make sure that you have upgraded to 6.1. So now I am going to create one Oracle Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So Oracle Linux 7.8 is the recent release from Oracle Linux 7 series. So I am allocating some RAM and I am creating dynamically allocated virtual hard drive for this Oracle Linux 7.8 virtual machine. Yes, so Oracle Linux 7.8 virtual machine is created now. So now I am unchecking the floppy. So optical drive will be the first one to be get booted. And also pointing device, I am selecting USB tablet. So processor core, I am allocating 4. So storage, I am browsing the Oracle Linux 7.8 DVD ISO file, which is downloaded from Oracle website. So everything is fine now. Virtual machine is created successfully. Now let me start to install Oracle Linux 7.8 on VirtualBox 6.1. So install screen had arrived. So English will be the default language as usual. So software selection will be server with GUI. Next date and time I am adjusting accordingly to my location. So installation destination also okay now. So let us begin the installation now. So parallelly provide the root password and create one login user. So installation is done now. So I have switched off the virtual machine. I have powered off the virtual machine. So right click settings. So I am unchecking the optical drive. So hard drive will be the first one to be get booted. So storage, I am adding one more optical drive. So I am browsing the VirtualBox guest edition.iso to that empty drive. So the two drives, two optical drives will be mounted. One is VirtualBox guest edition software. Another one is Oracle Linux 7.8 ISO DVD file. So two DVD files will be mounted. Yes. So Oracle Linux 7.8 started successfully. So now let me adjust the screen resolution. Yes. So now next step is what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the dependent RPM packages required by VirtualBox guest edition software. So all the RPM packages are available in the Oracle Linux 7.8 DVD ISO file itself. So this is the directory where RPM packages are available. So I'm opening one terminal. So as a root user, you can install the dependent RPM packages required by VirtualBox guest edition software. So in a single shot, I am installing all the packages required by guest edition software. So these are the RPM packages, around 6 packages, 6 to 8 packages, I think. Sorry, 7 packages required by VirtualBox guest edition software on Oracle Linux 7.8. So all these RPM packages are available in DVD ISO file itself. So I did not download any RPM from external source. So all RPMs are available in Oracle Linux 7.8 DVD ISO file itself. So 7 packages. So 7 RPMs are installed. So these are all dependent RPMs required by VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So now I am going to install VirtualBox Guest Edition. So I am opening the terminal, switch as a root user, run the command /vbox. So switch as a root user. So now let me run the command /vbox linux editions.run. So this will install the guest edition software. Yes, so guest edition software installed successfully in Oracle Linux 7.8. So now I am going to power off this virtual machine. So now I am going to modify the settings. So in settings, so general advanced tab, I am enabling share clipboard and drag and drop. So this share clipboard and drag and drop both will be working on Oracle Linux 7.8. So let us check what is going to happen. So I am rebooting the machine after installing VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So I open the terminal now. So I am going to type some command, and I am going to copy this output of this command to the Windows notepad, that is host machine notepad. From virtual machine to host operating system, I am going to copy this output. So copy. Let me try to paste in Windows Notepad Plus. Yes, so it's successful. Share clipboard feature is working fine. Now I am going to copy paste from Windows to Linux machine. Copy the command and paste in Oracle Linux terminal. Yes, so it's working fine. So share clipboard feature is working fine. So now I am going to check the drag and drop feature. First I am going to drag and drop from host to virtual machine. So I am selecting one file. So and I am drag and drop to Oracle Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So you can see that file is getting copied successfully. Yes. So successfully I can able to drag and drop. So now let me drag and drop one file from Linux virtual machine to Windows host machine. So this is the file I am going to drag and drop from Oracle Linux 7.8 virtual machine to Windows host machine. So I am trying to drag and drop. Yes, it is successful. So Oracle Linux 7.8 installation on VirtualBox 6.1 with the guest edition is successful.